Okay, in this video I'm going to put Windows Vista on a USB flash drive so I can actually load up Windows Vista on my brand new Zotac Zbox computer. Now this is a legitimate copy of Windows with a legitimate certificate of authenticity, and normally what you would do is just load up Windows from an optical drive onto your computer. But the problem is that this computer, the Zbox that I have, does not have an optical drive. So the only way to get Windows on the computer would be to actually get an external optical drive or to create a USB flash drive with Windows on it. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now I have my Windows Vista disk already in my computer here, and I have my flash drive, which happens to be an 8 GB flash drive, already plugged into my computer. So I have two windows pulled up of my computer, one of which I'm going to use for my USB drive, and the other of which I'm going to use for the Windows disk. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click over here on the DVD drive which contains the Windows disk, and I'm going to go down here to open. Now this will show me all of the contents of my disk, my Windows Vista disk. And what I want to do is I'm just going to drag all of that over to my USB flash drive over here so I can copy it onto that drive. Just going to drag it over and copy it. And it's copying all the contents over. The contents are only 2.52 gigabytes. The flash drive is an 8 GB drive. Obviously I could use a smaller capacity flash drive. This process looks like it's going to take about 45 minutes, at least that's what it's estimating here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that do its thing, and I will join back up with you when it's done. Now it actually didn't take 45 minutes to load Windows on this flash drive. It took more like 15 minutes. The early estimate was 45, but it ended up being about 15 minutes. So let's stick this in the Zbox and get Windows loaded up on it.